Yes, massive and crew. We're back once again with another video. And guess what has turned up in the post? I have the test presses here for the Twisted Mentasm and the Twisted Mentasm remix, which means that I'll be able to ship out any pledges, any people that have pledged for just the test presses on their own. I will be able to get these shipped out within the next week. So I'm going to open these up now. I'm going to give these a little flex, give these a little play, and see how they're sounding. Obviously I don't want to send these out and they're not working, so I want to make sure that everything is crisp. Big up Diamond Black Pressings, guys over there, doing a great job for me. Come all the way from Luton. They were supposed to send me 30, but they've only sent me 10. So first peek, people, Dope 2K003, here it is, test press, landed, batteries running out on the cam, looking good. Looking good. So this is Twisted Mentasm Bad Boy and the remix. Looking good. So, yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to go onto sampleways.co.uk now if you want one of these. They're going to be limited, only 30 copies available, ever in existence, of these test presses. So go there, grab one now. Show some love and support for your boy. Big up.
I'm a everyday junglist.